Hi, Jason Goodall, GQue Barbecue. So many great burgers out there. Think about one of your favorites. Was it made from Wagyu beef? Maybe. Did it have bacon on it? Most definitely. Did it have beer cheese? Possibly. If you want to see a Wagyu bacon beer cheese burger, it's coming up right now. Here at GQue Barbecue, we are all about that grilling and chilling lifestyle. If that's something that interests you, smash down that subscription button and hit that bell notification and you won't miss any of our videos. So I'm putting all the coals over to one side of the pit. This is going to allow me to control how I cook. I can cook on the side with the coals for high heat, I can cook with the side with no coals for low heat, or I can cook in the middle for medium heat. Can't have beer cheese without beer. I recommend a very good, high quality beer. You want to be careful though, because it's going to be a predominant flavor. So use a beer you like. Four Noses Pilsner is great on a hot summer day like today, but it's also going to be the perfect complement to the beer cheese. To the beer, I'm going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 pound of your favorite cheese. Today, I'm just using a blend of cheddar and jack cheeses. So we're going to let this cook until the cream cheese comes down and everything blends together. You know, when it's time to amp up the flavors, I reach for one thing, and that's GQue Barbecue, the rub. I'm gonna add about 2 ounces of rub to the cheese mixture, and this is gonna really amp up all of the flavors. You can get the rub by hitting the link down below. I'm using a cast iron pan for 2 reasons. One, we're gonna cook the bacon on there, and it's gonna capture all the bacon grease, and then we're gonna cook the burger in the bacon grease for maximum flavor. The second reason is it's going to build a beautiful crust onto the burger. You can hear that sizzle. That's exactly what I'm going for. The Wagyu I'm using today was raised up in Oregon from my friends at Mason Hill Cattle. You can see all of the marbling, which is fat, and when you all know fat is where the flavor is, and that's what makes Wagyu so dang special. I'm going to put a base layer of salt, pepper, garlic down on the Wagyu patties. And then after they're done cooking, I'm gonna brush them with some of the bacon grease and come over the top and amp it up with some GQue rub. Hear that sizzle? That's creating a beautiful brown crust. And we all know that crust is where all the flavor is on the burgers. So what's great about cooking in this cast iron skillet and the bacon first is you got a combination of beef fat, which is arguably the best tasting fat, rivals only pork, and we have both of them that we're basting these burgers with. That is what's gonna set this burger apart. I'm gonna put a hamburger bun down. I think toasted buns always taste better than untoasted buns. I promise you, big, bold flavors here. One way to achieve that is to hit it with this GQue rub. By basting it first, it's gonna absorb the rub and the flavors are just gonna melt into the beef. Let's put this burger together. Got our Wagyu patty. This was about a half a pound pre-cooked. Got our Four Noses Pilsner beer cheese. Look at that. That looks good all by itself. I'm a simple man. I like simple things, but we're going to go ahead and amp it up. Nice, crispy, thick cut bacon. We'll put it hashtag style, hashtag absolutely delicious, hashtag Wagyu, hashtag beer cheese, hashtag crispy bacon. Look at that. That burger is so satisfying, so beefy, so decadent. That Wagyu makes all the difference. If that's something you want to try, give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments, what kind of burger do you like? What would you like to see me make next? Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.